Xdata is the most powerful expression of Sipa's IoT infrastructure with the ecosystem, designed to revolutionize your pet manufacturing process. Xdata is a SCADA workstation to design your control room for real-time process monitoring and production optimization. Xdata seamlessly integrates with your pet packaging and filling lines, whether using Sipa's or other suppliers' machinery. It provides real-time data and analytics to boost operational efficiency, minimize downtime, and enhance product quality. Experience the power of predictive maintenance and proactive solutions with our AI-powered platform. With Xdata, you gain access to a comprehensive suite of tools. Monitor the health and performance of all your equipment in real time. Optimize your operations with detailed overall equipment effectiveness insights. Quickly address and rectify issues to minimize downtime. Utilize historical data to make informed decisions and improve future performance. Leverage cloud capabilities for in-depth analysis and reporting. From remote production launches to assisted format changes and maintenance planning, Xdata simplifies and streamlines your entire production process. Using an intuitive, user-friendly interface, Xdata connects your physical and digital worlds. Operators can monitor and control production remotely, while advanced AI algorithms predict and prevent potential issues based on optimal process history, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Transform your pet manufacturing with Xdata. Visit SIPAsolutions.com to learn more and see how our digital service can drive your business forward.